So I've created my project in DaVinci Resolve and I want to make a logo wipe for an intro. So first I'm going to get my stock media. I downloaded from Pixabay, not sponsored. So we have our nice waves going by, as you see. And I'm going to put my logo in here. Now, I want my logo to, pop in and move up and have text below it. So the first thing we're going to start out with is we're going to zoom this out. So we move up a few frames and we're going to zoom in. Then we move a few more frames over to make it pop, zoom back out. To make this look even smoother, go to the keyframe panel up in the top right of the screen. Click on your clip. You can zoom in if you want. Ease in and ease out. Or it was way too long. And it's still way too long. So we're going to pop in like that. Now another way to make it pop out without keyframing is adding a drop shadow. So go to Open Effects, Drop Shadow, customize it to however you want. I'm going to keep it pretty simple and a little more blur. There we go. Now it zooms in, just that. Now we want to add some text. We found a text we like. Let's add that in and let's look at it. And I know that our logo is going to be over it, so let's add keyframes, move over, zoom out, and move it up a little bit. We like that. Look at the keyframe editor, make it all smooth and stuff by clicking ease in and out. Look at it again, it looks pretty good. And then add the text. Text is in the right spot. Let's put YouTube channel or whatever you're doing this for. And put that two separate. Move it down and zoom in. Looks pretty good. Cut the excess off. Look at that. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching as always, and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials.